Good morning. My name is Sydney Stewart, and I am presenting in strategic human resource management for Café La Huerta. This is a comprehensive analysis and its recommendations. Café La Huerta is an exclusive boutique hotel in the heart of the Colombian Andes Mountains. They offer a unique experience through good service, and its guests experience a peaceful countryside. Management gives priority to the development of the community where it stands, and these values are reflected in the operations, training, and development routes designed for each position. Employees in the hotel operations that I focused on were receptionists, housekeeping staff, and maintenance. To conduct this job analysis and identify key responsibilities, skills, competencies required for the various roles in Café La Huerta's hotel operation, I observed employees performing their job tasks. I conducted interviews with employees and supervisors, reviewed the job descriptions and performance standards, the protocol for developing a valid selection process, the role of job analysis in job design and compensation decisions. I evaluated the employee performance and the managing employee relations issues. Um, when observing employees performing their job tasks, I observed that the employees work with inspiration. They receive training in presented in various formats, like online, through the app that they have for recording their jobs and daily tasks, and in person, on site. These trainings include customer service, quality standards, safety, healthy practices, environmentally friendly practices, ethical behavior at the workplace, and specifics about each of their positions. When conducted interviews to employees and supervisors, from the employees, I got that they all feel gratitude for the growth opportunities that they have with their employer. They appreciate that they prioritize their personal lives, and they feel a lot of pride for working at a place that is conserving the paramos and working for the conservation of the planet. With the interviews of the supervisors, they express that with the implementation of the traceability app CrossCheck, they have faced some challenges with the employees adapting to this format. But once they get the hang of it, they get these reports with the data that helps them make administrative decisions with publicity, and especially with all the HR aspects, like if they need hiring more employees and which benefits they should offer, and even compensation. When reviewing the job descriptions and performance standards, the job analysis revealed that the key roles for Café La Huerta require strong communication, teamwork, loyalty, honesty, accountability, and customer service skills. The protocol for developing a valid process during the selection of their employees, they define the job requirements and competencies in an accurate way. They choose selection methods that align with the job requirements, like through their interviews, skill assessments, and reference checks. They use a trained selection panel for members on the evaluation criteria and process. They have a pilot test during the selection process to ensure validity of the documents, and the reliability of the prospect. The selection process aligns with the Café La Huerta's philosophy and they apply proper procedures. My suggestion in this matter was to have a clear evaluation criteria that has scoring systems when hiring so they can be more accurate. The role of the job analysis and job design and compensation decisions, um, they they use the app CrossCheck to evaluate these and make their decisions. I suggested that they need to conduct job analyses more regularly, um, and implement employee-to-employee training programs to foster on-site professional growth. Like, for example, um, to have an employee that is ready to move to a new position to train someone in the in that is already working here so they can grow inside the company instead of like hiring people for hiring positions from the outside. Um, for evaluating employee performance, they do apply good practices, but I suggested to implement a performance improvement plan for underperforming employees that they don't have very clear now. And from these, they can expect results to prevent the turnover and improving performance, loyalty, and employee engagement. When managing employee relations issues, I suggested that Café La Huerta conducts a regular employee engagement surveys to identify issues like even before they arrive. That way, the management will get to know what are the expectations of the employees and what they need. And these will be like implementing preventive strategies to maintain a healthy work environment. My key findings with this study was that they have good, like strong communication, teamwork, loyalty, honesty, accountability, great customer service skills, and they find these essential for the roles, and they're doing great at hiring people that meets those standards. The selection process aligns with the philosophy of the company and it accomplishes its purposes. Um, these like job analyses plays a crucial role in the job design and compensation decisions of the company. Café La Huerta recognizes the importance of effective human resource management in achieving business objectives. The hotel can ensure that it has the right people in the right roles by conducting job analysis more often. They do it, but I believe that if they do it more often, they can assure that people are doing the job that they can do best in the company. Um, this would enhance the selection processes as well, and they can also evaluate the employee performances every month. Also, by managing employee relations issues proactively, Café La Huerta can promote a positive work environment that fosters the growth and development of all its employees. And this will maintain a competitive edge in the hospitality industry that is booming right now. They hold the standard of being the best of what they do in the area, but following these procedures and in being proactive in this matter will help them maintain that in the industry. Thank you for watching this brief presentation. If you need more details on what I found during my research, please go through the written report. Thank you so much.